Yes, guys, make sure you join the wave. We took a road trip to Canada. We had some amazing food, great breakfast. I had these blueberry lemon cornbread. Oh my goodness, it was so great at this breakfast spot that was walking distance from our hotel. We went to check out an upside down house, a wax museum. You know we had to take a trip to Niagara Falls and look at the water. So make sure you join the wave. Make sure you follow and check out all the things that we did on our road trip to Canada.
Yes, I gotta get 'em. Don't need gonna kill 'em. Damn it, I'm the illest. Damn it, I'm the realest. Know that I'ma get 'em. Know that I'ma get it. Know that I'm the illest. Know that I'm the realest. Hey, I'm everything you haters wanna be. Yeah, they try, but they can't do it like me. 24/7 days of the week. Yeah, they try, but they can't do it like me. So Tony, man, you don't want no problem. All I know is you don't want no problems. Hit 'em with that fire, make 'em shake like they from Harlem. All around the globe, they call me the fire starter. Bitch, I'm flaming, and I know the streets be banging, and they know me in the hood. Stony Ocean, bitch, I'm famous. Bitch, I'm booming on the block. Yeah, I'm booming, yeah, I'm baking. Now, this is why I'm hot. After the bills been Franklin. Cause it's all about the dollar bills. You throw a dog a bone, but you still ain't gon' get the deal. Tell these labels I'm hungry, nothing less than a meal. Nigga, what nigga, who? I'm sounding like I'm a meal. Ain't none of these niggas real. Talking these bitches too. Haters gon' keep on talking, but quiet when I come through. I'ma give you the business, you end up on the news. I promise you won't be talking by the time that I'm through. Hey, yes, I gotta get 'em. Don't need gonna kill 'em. Damn it, I'm the illest. Damn it, I'm the realest. Know that I'ma get 'em. Know that I'ma get it. Know that I'm the illest. Know that I'm the realest. Hey, I'm everything you haters wanna be. Yeah, they try, but they can't do it like me. 24/7 days of the week. Yeah, they try, but they can't do it like me. Copywritten. Did you copy that? Nah. These bitches try to imitate me, call them copycats. You see the game, be my home, roger that. Watch the throne, give me my crown, DJ, bring it back. Can't knock the hustle, cause homie, it's in my blood. Line up whoever talking and drag they ass in the mud. Great. No, I don't do this often, you think I do this for fun? You think that this shit is easy? Too many rounds, but I won. Winner. KOs for the haters, I focus on getting paper. These hoes are not on my level, these hoes keep trying my patience. I may be what you call crazy, now you know what, I am crazy. I made a video for it, go ahead and Google me, baby. Shit is just shit that I'm talking, I gotta remind the haters. The only time you see me running's if I run it for mayor.